Does your bank account perform magic tricks? I'm serious. You get paid on Friday, you feel like the king of the world, and by Tuesday, you're checking your balance, wondering if you've been robbed. You see bills, groceries, a little treat, because you survived a meeting, and suddenly, poof, the money's gone. You aren't living, you're just scheduling your panic attacks around every payday. Well, here's the truth. That feeling isn't a math problem, it's a control problem. When you don't tell your money exactly where to go, it wanders off and does its own thing. It disappears into subscriptions, random Amazon gadgets you don't need, and impulse tacos at midnight. These seem like tiny decisions, but added together, they're destroying your future. Speaking of your future, the best way to gain control is stop relying on one paycheck. You need to learn how to make the market pay you. If you want to learn more real strategies like selling options to generate consistent cash flow, you need to join our team. We don't just guess, we have a system. Come learn exactly how we do it inside the Discord. Click the link below in the bio or head straight to techhedgepivot.com. Stop hoping for money, start making it. But here's the catch. You can't earn your way out of bad habits. Making more money won't save you if you keep flushing it down the toilet. As Dave Ramsey said, you must gain control over your money or the lack of it will forever control you. Control doesn't mean you never have to have fun. It just means you have to be in charge. You look at your dollar and say, you go to savings, you go to investing, you buy me the coffee, you stick to the plan, and when you're tired, you just keep working. The moment you start tracking where your money goes, something shifts. You stop feeling like a victim of your expenses and start feeling like the owner of your life. If this video woke you up, smash the like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Share this with a friend who was always broke 3 days after payday. And if you're ready to level up and start learning how to sell options, I'll see you in the Discord, link in the bio below at Tech Hedge Pivot. Stop letting your money ghost you, and I'll see you in the next one.